This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to go over some of the progress on the SVJ. I'll show you how the fiberglass is going. And then we're going to probably take the Frunk lid or trunk or whatever you want to call it off. Get that on a table, probably start doing the interior foam, and then we'll start fiberglassing the other side of it. So stay tuned, but first let's go take a look at what we've done. Okay, so this is obviously substantially cured. So we're going to go ahead and relieve this. Basically, it's got those little plastic welding things around the perimeter. So I'm just going to come along with the saw and cut them out. Other things we've done, you've seen the rockers, you've seen the quarters. We did the tail. So this piece is now nice and solid. We also did the roof. So that's nice and solid. Over here, I've got the engine cover, so that's going to go back on next. And we'll go ahead and get that fitted, make sure that it's going to sit right with the rest of the body. And then we'll go ahead and glass that in. And then last is going to be the rear bumper here. And I think for this one, I'm just going to take it off and glass it. So since it's the last one, I'm not too worried about fitment and it warping and things of that nature because of all of the different shapes on here. So we're going to go ahead and just glass it the way it is. So those are what we have to do. The other thing is that I have the rear wing. That's going to all be carbon fiber. So we're going to do the carbon fiber skinning like we did last time. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we've got a layer of shop strand mat and a layer of fabric, and we're going to go let this tack up, and then we'll roll the edges around to the other side. That'll give us a nice clean edge. So that's next. All right, well, there it is. Basically, you've got 2 layers of fiberglass on that. As you saw, we were putting that on. Got to let it cure for a while, and first functional part. So we're going to keep moving through the rest of the parts. We'll probably do the fenders next. I'll probably get this in the car and get the hinges in and get that all working properly before I start doing the fenders. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that like button, because you know you like it, right? Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.